Morning, mate.
Yes. Um, so I welcome everyone for this class on communication and entrepreneurship. So in this class, we'll be talking about the importance of communication and entrepreneurship, how they play a very vital role in in fashion industry and in different businesses also. So before I start with the class, I would like to ask everyone that yes, Amit, you have raised your hands. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I have one.
What?
Actually,
Your voice is crackling up. Your voice is crackling.
okay, I just moved somewhere else. Okay, ma'am, now it's
Hi, it's audible, but not that clear. Yeah, you can tell me, but
actually my regional center is Bhubaneswar. I am
hmm.
from Kolkata. With my
Huh. So,
hard copy. This is actually told me na you uh,
Amit, you please discuss all of these things with the concerned person from where you have taken the admission. Okay, so I cannot really guide you on that aspect. Okay, so it would be really nice if you could just talk from that end, connect from that end, right?
okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, communication and entrepreneurship. Now first of all, I would like to know, why is communication important, or what is communication in the first hand? I would like to know your ideas. What is communication? What do you understand by the term communication?
Transfer of ideas from one medium to another.
Sorry.
Transfer of ideas and thoughts from one medium to another.
Yes, 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 and apart from that.
Comprehension also is the key, that you are
Sorry.
understanding. Comprehension is the key also, that you are understanding everything that the other person is saying.
Yes, yes, yes. So it's basically, it is a process of exchanging information. Okay, where we exchange information. For example, now I'm taking your class. Okay, so I'm giving you a set of information for for developing your understanding on this particular subject or context, right? So similarly, it's a process of exchange of information, ideas, okay, thoughts, feelings between individuals or groups. Okay, so it is basically a passage, a pass of information from, it could be transactional, it could be interpersonal, it could be on a personal note, it could be with a group, it could be with anyone, right? So it's a process of exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, or feelings between individuals or groups. Okay, it involves encoding a message by a sender and transmitting it through a communication channel and decoding it by a receiver. Okay, so it's like when we are talking about something, okay, or when let's say I am taking a class, okay, so I have a set thing in my mind that okay, this is how I'm going to proceed with the class. Okay, so and that's how I understand, okay, this could be the best way of setting up the class mood, or this could be the way. so ये मैं खुद से वो एनालिसिस करके ये समझ रही हूँ कि ओके, मैं ऐसा कुछ करूँगी तो फिर वो क्लासरूम का जो टोनालिटी है, टोन है, वो मैं इस तरीके से सेट करूँगी जहाँ पे बच्चे इंटरैक्ट कर सकेंगे फ्रीली। ठीक है, मैं बच्चों के साथ अच्छे से इंटरैक्ट कर पाऊँगी, डाउट्स अच्छे से क्लियर हो पाएंगे, जो मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ वो आप लोग समझ पा रहे होगे। सो दैट इज़ द नीड that I would see. Coming to the next thing now, it is like transmitting or encoding a message. now हमने पहले ये सोचा कि मुझे एक कम्युनिकेशन, जैसे कि आपको ये सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा, तो मैंने सोचा कि ओके, मैं ये सब्जेक्ट को ऐसे लूँगी, लाइक जस्ट नाउ आई just the way I gave you an example. Okay, now how do I do that? I do that when I encoded that message in my head. Okay, I encoded that message in my brain that okay, this is how I'm going to teach. Okay, now what I'm doing now, I'm in a stage where I'm transmitting the information. Okay, when I'm giving you, I'm feeding you with information. So this is the transmitting stage. Okay, and through a communication channel. Now what is the communication channel here? The communication channel is digital here, Google Meet here. Okay, so that is the, you know you can say, is the channel. Okay, so you understood up till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So and that's how you understand, when I'm talking to you, you are understanding it and you are decoding it. So whatever I'm teaching you right now, you are decoding it in your brain and in your way, and you're putting it up with you, right? So you understand the process of communication. So once, there is one, sender and a receiver. Okay, there is one sender and a receiver, and the sender encodes the message, okay, in his brain. Okay, he thoughts कि अच्छा मुझे ये बोलना है, then he talks. Okay, नाउ ये प्रोसेस को जब हम ब्रेक करते हैं, ठीक है, हमें लगता है कि ये 5-6 स्टेप का मॉडल है, बट हम जब नॉर्मली ऐसे बात करते हैं, वी डोंट थिंक कि दिस इज सच अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस, बिकॉज दिस हैज़ बिकम एन इनवॉलेंट्री एक्शन ऑफ आर्स। जैसे हम अभी बात कर रहे हैं, दिस इज एन इनवॉलेंट्री एक्शन। सो लाइक वाइज हम लोग पहले क्या करते हैं, हम लोग सोचते हैं हमको ये बोलना है, ये बोलने के बाद फिर हम कैसे बोलेंगे वो सोचते हैं, फिर जिस तरीके से बोलते हैं, कहाँ पे बोलना है, किस व्हाट वुड बी द प्लेटफॉर्म। ठीक है, वो प्लेटफॉर्म को देखते हैं जहाँ पे हम ट्रांसमिट करेंगे मैसेज। उसके बाद फिर जो रिसीवर होगा वो किस तरीके से उसको डिकोड करता है। ठीक है, हाउ डज ही और शी डिकोड्स योर मैसेज इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। that's that's very important, because then only you can say that your communication was very very clear, when the receiver understands the message quite well. For example, I'll give you an example right away. Now whatever Amit was trying to communicate with me, it was not audible to me, right? So the message that he sent was not very clear to me, but I could read the chunks what he was trying to communicate, and I understood, and then I decoded the message, and then I answered to whatever query he was asking, right? So that's how we communicate. So that's the first and foremost step of communication. Okay. Now, for an effective form of communication, okay, what do we do? For an effective form of communication, we ensure that whatever we are, talking, or whatever we are trying to, communicate, it has to be very, 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 very clear. Okay. So effective communication relies on clarity. Okay. You need to be very, very clear what you're talking about, your understanding about that, about the topic or the context that you will be talking about. Okay. The mutual comprehension between the parties involved. I have to ensure that whether you people understand whatever I'm trying to communicate, and you guys have to ensure that whatever ma'am is saying, it is very, very clear, very, very audible. Okay, and you can easily take down notes so that you can properly decode it. Right. So that's the very basic and fundamental rule that we, you know, see or understand, to have a proper form of communication. Okay. So that's the thing. Now coming to the, okay, so this image is visible to everyone, this second image where
Yes.
two
Yes, ma'am.
humans, yes. So you could see now, the this boy is trying to send some message, and the girl is also trying to communicate, but the loop which is created in between is very, very chaotic. Okay. It's very, very chaotic, which means that whatever the girl wants to communicate or whatever the boy wants to communicate, okay, it is not that clear. Right. So whatever the receiver is decoding or whatever the sender is encoding, okay, are not matching. Right. Which is why there is a lot of fuss. Right. You can clearly see from that image that there has been a lot of fuss. Right. So
Yes, ma'am.
that's the thing. Yeah, so that's the thing. Now, आप 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 रियल टाइम भी बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स देख सकते हो जहाँ पे कि आपको पता है कि the 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 people whom are you talking, the people with whom do you talk, right? कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे होते हो और वो समझता कुछ और है ना? ये होता है ना आप लोगों के साथ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So why does that happen? So that happens because of the fact that कि हम जो कम्युनिकेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो वो मतलब उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। ठीक है, तभी ये कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो रहा है कि हम जो बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, उसको वो ऑडिबल ही नहीं है, या तो उसको कभी कभी ये भी होता है कि कभी कभी सामने वाले को समझना भी नहीं होता। ओके। कभी कभी सामने वाले को समझना भी नहीं होता। तो that's when, you really need to take a note that how can we be very, very clear on the thoughts that we are trying to portray. Okay. So it is clear up till now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to, अच्छा, कैन यू गिव मी सम रियल टाइम एग्जांपल्स कि कभी आपने किसी के साथ कुछ कम्युनिकेट करने की कोशिश की बट वो वैसा कुछ वो प्रॉपर्ली कम्युनिकेट नहीं हो पाया, कभी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, कभी कुछ होता है। कैन यू गिव मी अ रियल टाइम एग्जांपल जो आपने अभी रिसेंटली फेस किया है? या गिव मी एग्जांपल। शर्मिष्ठा, कैन यू गिव मी सम एग्जांपल्स?
Yes, ma'am. I'm thinking of one, and I'm not exactly sure if it's communication or miscommunication. I don't know because it was not really communicated to the person I wanted to communicate to.
Mm-hmm.
So it happened one day. I went dinner with my family. my mom dad was not there in that particular
Okay.
dinner.
Mm-hmm.
It was me and my siblings only. So
Okay.
we went for a dinner and then we wanted to get out of Delhi only. So
Okay.
we went to Rishikesh that night only.
Okay.
So everyone was thinking that the other person would tell mom and dad that we have left for Rishikesh. My brother was
Okay.
thinking that my sister would tell, and we all were assuming that they have told the parents, but no one
Okay.
did really did. So it
Okay.
miscommunicated at that particular point of time.
Yeah, so that's a perfect example of miscommunication, है ना? Misinterpretation, you can say, miscommunication, you can say, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that is the thing. Okay, now coming to different forms of communication. Okay, what are the different types of communication? So it is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in different types of communication, we have actually four types of communication. Okay, so one is verbal, second is non-verbal, third is visual, and fourth is written. Okay, so these are the four types of communication. So it is not only when we speak or when we utter a word, it's not that we only talk then. Okay, so it has got more to do when we are, not vocal or not, verbal about our thoughts, but we still communicate. For example, you might have pets in your home, right? So we don't really communicate with the dog with the language, do we? Do we shout? Do we shout? No,
No,
but
ma'am.
no. So, but how do we communicate? We communicate through feelings, through gestures, through, through visuals, through, non-verbal way of communication, through emotions, you know. So we not really communicate only using words. There are a lot of ways through which we, communicate, right? So one is your verbal. Verbal is like using, when you are vocal about something. Okay, you actively listen and you reply, you are vocal about it. Okay, so verbal communication किस तरीके से अच्छा हो सकता है when you use a strong confident speaking voice, when you have a very good tone and you're very confident on what you're saying, right? So it's the most, it is one of the most important point while you are talking. Okay, use active listening. Okay, while you are talking, okay, so you have to actively listen to what you're saying. Okay, avoid filler words. Filler words matlab, okay, yeah. So a lot of things are, filler words. These are called filler words. Now, mm, the third is, okay, just a second. Now the third is, second is, non-verbal way of communication. Okay, non-verbal way of communication is like notice how your emotions feel physically. Okay, through gestures. Okay, how, ये जैसे कि कभी कभी होता है ना, मम्मी हम लोगों को आंख दिखा देती है कि ये नहीं करना है. So it's a non-verbal way of communication, but we still understand that कि okay, our mom doesn't want us to do that, right? So that is the thing. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. So that is one form of non-verbal communication. You will be very surprised to know that we actually communicate non-verbally more than verbally, because every when you're thinking something to yourself, when you are, on a when you're on a go to talk about, something, or when you're writing down a poem, or you're writing down a story, or you're putting down your thoughts while you are crying, while you are happy, you are showing your different kind of moods. those are different form of non-verbal communication, right? When you might have seen that dance, okay, डांस में जो classical forms of music हैं with the beats and everything, but they show you with so many expressions, right? You have n number of expressions, and they communicate through that, right? You might have seen कुचिपुड़ी में हर एक different facial expressions होते हैं, right? And or in Orisi, any form, any dance form, any classical dance form, you don't have to be vocal about something, right? You will also notice that you feel very relaxed when you're in nature. The sounds of wind, the rustling sounds of the leaves, dried leaves, okay, the sound of the waterfall, okay, so all of this, and instills the calmness in your mind, right? And that's how that's how you actually talk, right? That's how you actually talk. So that's a very, very important aspect that you all have to remember, all have to understand that this is the way how non-verbal communications are done. Okay. Now, visuals. What is visuals? Now, visuals are something where it include pictures or pictographs or images, okay? Visuals, for example, if I talk about your childhood memories, okay? So you get emotional when you see your childhood memories. Your mother or your parents get emotional when they see, their child who has grown up so much, and when they see pictures or images, you laugh. When by remembering your college days, कि आपने क्या मस्ती किया था, क्या नहीं किया था, and you have those images intact with you. Okay, the visual thing is a very, very important aspect of communication as well. Now, for example, if you go to an art gallery, okay, you go to a museum, you go to fashion shows, so there is no one who is really communicating with you. For example, if you go to a runway, when you go to a fashion show, so there is no one who is actually communicating with you, but the fact that you know uh, you are engaging with the product, you are visually watching the model walk, the garments, the elements of design, the principles of design, you can visually talk about it. So that is your visual form of communication. Okay, so that's the thing, because everyone has their own perspectives of seeing things around. Everyone develops their own understanding of, seeing things around, or watching, or observing things, watching things, listening. So everyone has their own mood, own perception, own persona, own individuality, and that's how they shape themselves. Okay. Now, the fourth one, and which is the common one, is written, that you put down your feelings on a pen and a paper. Okay, you put down your feelings on a pen and a paper, and you put it. Uh, so it is well laid, and it is understandable by everyone. Okay, so when you pen down your feelings, for example, if you talk about Robert Frost, okay, who is a very famous poet. So a lot of people are there who have mastered the skills of writing the poems, but um, that's how they have built a strong connection with the words and the emotions, and when it is portrayed to the world, so people also feel the same thing with the same exact amount of emotion that he has tried to put through with the poem, right? So is it clear up till now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, everyone has understood the different types of communication and how communication is important.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this is an image. Try to understand. So she's a girl, okay, and he's a boy, okay. So what message did she send? Your food smells delicious, right? Your food smells delicious. Okay. So she's a sender. She encoded a message and she shared, right? Through a verbal form of communication. Okay, she transmitted the message. Okay. Now what happened? That this is the fellow who understood the message. Okay. Who understood, and now he is replying to the message. What is the message? That is thanks. Okay. And so he thanked um, the girl that thank you so much for your message and for your um, sorry, thank you for your appreciation. And then he gave the feedback. She maybe wants to try a bite. Okay, so this is the interpretation of meaning. Okay, he said something, but it is understood this way. You understand the dynamics of communication? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So when you are told about something, okay, do this, there are very, why is it called? There's a phrase called, reading between the lines. Okay. So what does that mean? That means that whatever is written, it is not expected to, make you read in that way, right? You are supposed to read it in a better way, with a better understanding, putting down your own interpretation with it. Okay, you have to read in between the lines. What exactly? जैसे कि कभी कभी होता है, you would see lot of memes in Instagram and stuff. जैसे कि husband and wife के memes. कि wife says कि I'm not angry. ठीक है, but and boys understand that okay, she's not angry, but it is always made fun that the guys do not understand what exactly the lady wants to communicate, or his wife wants to communicate, that she is angry and she wants the guy to come and you know um make her understand, or pamper her, so that she can lift her mood up. Okay, so that's the thing. You can see communication issues की वजह से बहुत problems भी होती हैं. So you have to interpret the meaning. Okay, it's not only about the words or the sentence that she has said. You also have to look forward. You have to look beyond the thing. Then only you can be a great communicator. Okay, so it is always important that you have to understand the process of sending and receiving the message. Okay, how are you sending it? What is the tone, and how are you receiving it, and how do you interpret it? Okay, it could be a verbal form of communication, it could be a non-verbal way of communication, right? So that is very important. Okay, it is clear to everyone up till now.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts you have up till now?
Not really, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. What about others? Why others are not replying? Okay. Now coming to different models of communication. Okay, so what are the different models of communication? There are several models of communication that describe the process of exchanging information between a sender and a receiver. Okay, and here are some of the key models, okay, which includes the different kind of communication. Okay, so the very basic, models are linear, interactive, and transactional. Okay, these are the very basic, models जो जैसे हम डे टू डे लाइफ में कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. So it is between a sender and a receiver. Communication happens always between a sender and a receiver. The sender could be anyone, the receiver could be anyone. Okay, but someone has to understand it. Okay, someone has to understand it. Okay, so Okay. So the first thing is linear model. Okay. So what is the linear model? This model depicts communication as a one-way process where a sender transmits a message to a receiver through a channel. It assumes that communication flows in a straight line from sender to receiver with no feedback or interaction, right? So that is a linear model wherein आप कुछ बोल रहे हो, ओके, एंड आपको लगता है कि उसको पहुंच गया है, ठीक है, उसको जो आपको कन्वे करना था वो इंफॉर्मेशन कन्वे हो चुका है, ठीक है, बट देयर इज नो फीडबैक और नो इंटरेक्शन, ठीक है, देयर इज नो फीडबैक एंड देयर इज नो इंटरेक्शन, सो दैट इज द थिंग, that is your linear model. Second is interactive model. What is interactive model? Interactive model is a form of model where communication is viewed as a two-way process. Okay, where communication is viewed as a two-way process, and it involves both sender and the receiver. Okay, it involves the sender and the receiver. Feedback is incorporated, allowing the receiver to respond to a sender's message, leading to a more interactive exchange of information. Okay, so interactive model में क्या है कि ये दो लोगों के बीच में होता है. This is opposite of a linear model, जहाँ पे कि दो लोग बात करते हैं between the sender and the receiver, okay, and here they expect a feedback or a response to the questions that has been asked or to the context that the sender is that have encoded, okay, so they have to decode the message and they are expected to give a reply, okay, leading to a more interactive exchange of information. Okay, so it is not just assumed that कि हाँ उसको communication मिल गया तो वो समझ जाएगा. No, you have to ensure by asking, whether you have understood it or not. I mean, there has to be proper interaction between the two fellows, the senders and the receivers. Okay, so that is interactive model. Okay. Third is your transactional model. So what is transactional model actually? A transactional model considers communication as a dynamic process where both parties, okay, continuously exchange messages and influence each other. Communication is seen as a simultaneous and reciprocal, with both sender and receiver encoding and decoding messages. Okay. So what is transactional model? The transactional model considers communication as a dynamic process. Okay, it's a very, very dynamic and a very, very organic process where both the parties, okay, both the parties, as in the sender and the receiver. Okay, give me 1 second. Just 1 second. Okay, so transactional model is where uh, communication happens in a very, very dynamic and in very, very organic manner where both the parties, both the people or both the group of people continuously exchange messages and influence each other. जैसे कि शादी का रिश्ता हो गया, you would have seen the people influence each other, they exchange messages, and it is very, very reciprocal in nature. बहुत parallelly चलता है and बहुत reciprocal होता है. For example, जैसे कि group discussions वगैरह, right? They continuously encode and continuously decode the messages, right?
The sender sends the messages, the receiver, decodes the messages, and then the receiver becomes the sender again. वो फिर से वो अपने हिसाब से वो फिर समझ के फिर इंटरप्रेट करके फिर वो बात करता है. So that's how the transactional model comes into force. Okay, you understood?
Ma'am, what is the main difference between interactive and transactional model?
See, interactive model में one sender and one receiver is involved. Okay, but in transactional model, a group of people, a lot of people are involved in the process. That is the fundamental difference. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So linear model में तो one sided communication होता है. Interactive में दो लोग होते हैं. There's one sender, there's one receiver. But in transaction model, lot of people are involved. It could be a group of people who are involved in the discussion. So it happens like that. Okay, it's a so that's what we call as transactional model. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now these three models, okay, Shannon, Bernoulli, and Osgood. Okay, so these three were three scientists who developed their own model of communication. Okay, they developed their own form of communication. Now, जैसे कि हम लोग बात करते हैं, इसको भी समझने के लिए किसी को तो they have to design something, no? They have to understand the process. So Shannon-Weaver model is one such model where it was developed by Claude Shannon and Warren Weaver. Okay, the model focuses on the technical aspects of communication. So what does this model talk about? It talks about the technical aspects of communication, such as encoding, how a message is encoded, okay, how it is transmitted, how messages are decoded. Okay, it emphasizes on the role of noise or interference that can affect the clarity of the message. Okay, so that means that these two scientists, okay, Shannon and Weaver, what they focus on the technical aspects कि जैसे कि we have certain capacity hearing वो bracket होता है कि इतने हर्ट्ज से इतने हर्ट्ज तक हम सुन सकते हैं, उसके above या फिर उसके below आवाज हमको नहीं सुनाई देगी. We have that capacity of कि हम 100 something to something hertz के बीच में हमारी hearing capacity है. So वैसे ही animals का अलग है, सबका अलग अलग है, correct? So they developed a model where they focused on the technical aspects कि हम कितने कि हमारा वॉइस का साउंड कितना होना चाहिए और हम किस तरीके से बोले कि हम या तो हमारा मीडियम क्या हो, कैसे हमें बोलना चाहिए एंड कितने स्पीड में बोलना चाहिए, कितने जैसे pause. You would see that a lot of people who take a lot of pause while they are talking. Okay, it's because they are thinking कि हम क्या बोलना है, and it has to be very very apt and to the context that they are talking, right? So here what he focused more on the technical aspect, as in he focused on the noise कि हम कितना बोलेंगे, हम कितना करेंगे, हम कितने तेज बोलेंगे कि इंसान को समझ में आए. हम अगर मैं अभी चिल्ला चिल्ला के आपको समझाऊंगी, so your drum will hit hard. Okay, and you will find that there's lot of noise, chaos, where बहुत सारा interference है, तो आपको सुनाई नहीं देगा. तो वो जो मैसेज जो मैं आपको अभी जो मैं आपको पढ़ा रही, the message which I'm delivering right now will lose its clarity. एक बार क्लैरिटी लूज हो गई वो मैसेज जो मैंने भेजा, so it will be difficult for you to understand. Okay, so Shannon and Weaver focused on the technical aspects of communication. Okay, they emphasize on the role of noise कि कितना वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन का कितना स्पीड होना चाहिए, कितना एक वर्ड कितनी स्पीड में निकलना चाहिए. So he emphasized on these aspects so that a message could be clearly delivered. Okay, and what could be the different causes of interference that can affect the clarity of messages as well, right? So these are the things. Okay, so now the second thing is Berlow's SMCR model. So SMCR stands for source, message, channel, and receiver. Okay, so that is SMCR model. So Berlow is one more scientist, David Berlow. Okay, so this highlights the four components of communication. How do we communicate? So we have four components in communication. What are the four components? One is source. Source means the sender who is sending the message. Okay, the one who encodes the message. And what is the message? Like encoding the message. Channel, through which proper, what is the medium of communication? Is it a phone? Is it talking to a person who is just sitting beside you or in front of you, or are you addressing to people over your own um, you know addressing people maybe जो group में हो. So how are you, what is the channel or what is the mode of communication? Okay, and then the receiver. Okay, who is the receiver and how is he receiving, and कैसे वो उस चीज को इंटरप्रेट कर रहे हैं. So it emphasizes the importance of understanding the sender's intention. ओके, रादर देन जस्ट. मैंने आपको एक एग्जांपल दिखाया था ना वो इमेजरी में, वो जो लड़का जो खाना ऑफर किया. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द सेंडर्स इंटेंशन व्हेन द गर्ल सेड दैट कि ओके your food smells really delicious. What does that mean? So that means the boy understood and took a note that okay, the food, if the food is smelling delicious to her, maybe I can offer her a bite. Okay, and so that she can feel good that okay, the food is really tasty or something, right? So that is the thing. So you have to understand the sender's intention around it, encoding the message effectively. Okay, so it emphasizes the importance of understanding the sender's intention. Okay, encoding the message effectively. Okay, how are the messages encoded? Selecting an appropriate channel. How are you willing to communicate? And decoding the message accurately by the receiver. Okay, decoding the message accurately received by the receiver. By the sender. Okay, so these are the aspects which is expected in a good model of communication. In SMCR model, the focus is on the subjective aspects of it, जहाँ पे कि हमें कैसा बोलना चाहिए, ठीक है, सेंडर कौन है वो समझा कि नहीं. You have to read in between the lines. You have to understand the intention that they're talking about. Okay. 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 Now coming to Osgood and Scram model. Okay, this model expands the SMCR model. Now Osgood और Scram भी दो साइंटिस्ट थे. उन्होंने क्या किया, वो जो बर्लो का जो कम्युनिकेशन मॉडल जो है वो उसको एक्सपैंड करने लगे. How did they expand it? So the model expands on the SMCR model by incorporating feedback. ये feedback वाला सीन बर्लो के मॉडल में नहीं था. Okay, बट ऑस्कर और स्क्रैम ने वहां पे SMCR के बाद फीडबैक एंड कॉन्टेक्स्ट ये कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस में ऐड किया. ओके, so they incorporating feedback and context into the communication process. It recognizes that communication takes place within a particular context and that feedback is essential for adjusting and refining the message. Okay, so whenever we are talking about something, so it is related to some kind of a context. It is related to it could be an issue, it could be a moment of joy, it could be a problem, it could be sharing your thoughts, it could be in any context, any context. Okay, तो उसको जज करने के लिए if the model is like कि ये थोड़ा जैसे बर्लो का मॉडल ये थोड़ा लीनियर है, right? If you see it's more towards linear aspects. Obviously you will be understanding the intention and everything, but अगर वहां से feedback नहीं आएगा तो ये मॉडल फिर वर्केबल कैसे होगा, राइट? सो to make this model workable, so they added the feedback and the context section to it, and that's how the Scrum model came into existence. ये मॉडल को फिर और डिफाइन करके उन्होंने इस तरीके से प्लेस किया ताकि जो कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है उसको प्रॉपरली एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट में डालने के लिए they told that feedback is necessary, okay, to understand the message what they are trying to communicate, right? जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं अभी आप सबसे बात करें, there is one girl who is constantly replying, so I feel good that okay, at least she is understanding, and that is giving me a push कि okay, I'll make more, properly, I'll make you guys understand. But when someone is not replying, so it is becoming very very linear. So एक point of time के बाद, so I will not really bother about whether you're understanding or not because you're not replying, right? And what happens is कि when जैसे कि आप एग्जाम देने जा रहे हो, if someone wishes you good luck or all the best, so you feel good, you feel confident, okay, I can do that, yes, it's possible. But when someone is like okay तुम जा रहे हो किसी से मतलब नहीं है, so how would you feel? You'll feel कि as if nothing matters, ठीक है मैं खेल के आ जाऊंगा या फिर खेल के आ जाऊंगी, right? So it is very important to reciprocate. Reciprocation is the key. You have to reciprocate. Without reciprocation, you cannot really adjust what you are talking. You cannot really refine your message that you want to put forth or you want to convey. Okay, so it's very very important. Okay, so these models offer different perspectives on how communication occurs and can be useful for understanding the complexities of human interaction and information exchange. Okay, so सबका अपना अपना तरीका होता है बात करने का, अपना अपना पर्सपेक्टिव होता है, ठीक है? एंड ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन में क्या क्या कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज आ सकती हैं और वो इंफॉर्मेशन को हम कैसे एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं, दैट इज वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दोज एस्पेक्ट्स कि कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम होता है, कम्युनिकेशन किसी के साथ सही नहीं है, मान लो आपका आपके फ्रेंड के साथ अच्छा से कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हुआ, मम्मी पापा के साथ नहीं, लड़ाई हो गई है, सो यू आर नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वेयर डिड यू वेंट रॉन्ग, ठीक है, what was the tonality, how you spoke, right? How you dealt with your parents, what was the tonality of your message, were you too harsh, were you too good? You have to understand the entire situation, the dynamics of the situation, that it's not only about the words that you're putting forth, it's also about the intention, it's also about the the tonality, how you're speaking, right? So all of this, because human interaction is very complex and it's very simple at the same time. So you need to understand, you have to pay attention to the intricacies of communication. Okay, it's clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I want you guys to give me examples. From the six model, you have to write six examples. Like linear model के लिए एक example, interactive model के लिए एक example. So you have to give me six examples of this models. Okay, six examples of this model, and please you google it and you try to understand the six models. ये कैसा है, मैंने आपको एक understanding दे दिया है कि how does this model work, but please go and do a little bit of research on the different kind of models, okay, of communication. Okay, I'm giving you 20 minutes to study, okay, and then we can resume with the classes again. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Hello, guys, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, did you write examples for the models that I just explained sometime back?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes,
could
ma'am.
you tell me what are the examples that you yourself developed or found out for linear model?
Letters can be an example for the linear model.
Very good, very good. Yes. And someone else, please. Yeah. Letters could be a very good example. Letters is a very good example of linear model. Yes, anyone else? Kusum, Tanu, Sangeeta.
मैम लीनियर मॉडल का एग्जांपल न्यूज़पेपर भी हो सकता है.
Newspapers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good, very good. Or yes, Neha. Neha, if you could just answer. Hello?
मैम न्यूज़पेपर, रेडियो,
Yeah. Yes. And telephone. Yes.
टेलीविजन.
Hello? Hello? Yes, Kusum, you want to say something?
यस मैम.
Yeah, tell me.
लीनियर मॉडल एग्जांपल आर्स टेलीविजन, न्यूज़पेपर. मतलब मैम वन वे कम्युनिकेशन होता है ये.
Hmm.
जी.
Okay, good. Interactive model के examples दीजिए please.
One-on-one meeting. If two people
One-on-one.
are in a meeting and they're talking to each other, then and there
Hmm.
they can give feedback to
Yes,
each other.
yes, yes. They could be in any medium. They could be, it could be digital, it could be, in person, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And if someone else want to give an example, anyone else? Okay. Coming to interactive model, तो ये हो गया. Transactional model क्या है?
It could be a group discussion, a family gathering
Hmm.
where people are interacting with each other.
Yes.
More than two people, if there are more than two people, then it's a transactional model.
Hmm. Yeah. Tanu, give me an example of transactional model.
Yes, ma'am. It could be face-to-face meeting or
Face
like
to face
video
is
call.
interactive, no?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry for that.
When the
Face-to-face
communication
communication.
between two people,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
it is
Like video calls. Mm.
so what I'm asking you for an example of transactional model.
Sorry, ma'am.
ट्रांजैक्शनल मॉडल था नो ट्रांजैक्शनल मॉडल का एग्जांपल दो
मैम फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हैं ट्रांजेक्शन मॉडल का एग्जांपल हो सकता है ऐसा कुछ
तो फेस टू फेस क्या ये दो लोग बात करेंगे तो फिर वो तो इंटरैक्टिव ही हो गया ना फिर
ओके
तब से मैं वही
मैम
तो
मैं
समझा रही हूँ
कंफ्यूज हूँ थोड़ी सा
क्या कंफ्यूज हो किस चीज को लेके कंफ्यूज हो
मैम ट्रांजैक्शनल मॉडल को लेके
इंटरैक्टिव मॉडल और ट्रांजैक्शनल मॉडल में डिफरेंस क्या है मैंने क्या बोला था व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंटरैक्टिव मॉडल एंड ट्रांजैक्शनल मॉडल Sarmisha, if you could just tell us what is the difference between interactive model and transactional model?
Ma'am, in interactive model, there are only two people talking to each other or
Yes.
communicating with each other, and in transactional model, there is a group of people or individuals who are trying to interact with each other.
Yeah. तनु समझ आया अभी
यस मैम
ओके शैनन वीवर मॉडल आप लोगों ने देखा स्टडी किया सबने
Yes, ma'am.
एंड एसएमसीआर मॉडल
Yes, ma'am.
ओके एंड द अदर वन एज वेल ऑस्गुड
Yes, ma'am.
सब तीनों तीनों स्टडी किया हो ना आप लोग
Yes, ma'am.
ओके ओके कोई डाउट है उसमें
No, ma'am.
नो डाउट्स ओके ठीक है ओके now you understood that how different models play a vital role in understanding how communication plays a very very important role now these models offer different perspectives on how communication occurs and can be useful for understanding the complexities of human interaction and information exchange now this is a history slide okay this is a history slide where we will be talking about the uh, the flow of communication over a period of time okay how communication happened over a period how it started and what it is today now okay so how did it start so the visual era okay now if I talk about the stone age and all of that right so you will see आप गुफाओं में जाते हो या फिर आप कोई ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे आप देखोगे रॉकेटिक्स बने हुए हैं ठीक है रॉक में ड्राइंग्स किया हुआ है ठीक है इजिप्ट में ड्राइंग्स में सारा कुछ वो विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन हुआ है ठीक है इन अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस आल्सो इन अदर प्लेसेस आल्सो यू विल फाइंड जैसे हम हिस्ट्री को ट्रेस कैसे करते हैं हम जब ये सब चीजें आर्कियोलॉजी वाले जब ये सब एक्सकवेट करते हैं या फिर देखते हैं उसको मेमोइर्स के हिसाब से तो वी गेट टू नो कि ओके दिस इज हाउ दे कम्युनिकेटेड दिस इज हाउ दे ड्रू दिस इज हाउ दे मेड स्कल्पचर्स ओके हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन ले लो कोई सा भी सिविलाइजेशन ले लो यू वुड सी देयर आर मोर ऑफ इमेजरी ओके एंड लेस ऑफ टेक्स्ट okay if you talk about the prehistoric era or 5th 6th century okay so तब क्या था यही था कि स्मोक सिग्नल्स स्मोक जलाते थे तो you get to know कि okay there are people who is residing there so that's how they communicated so they could know that people are there if I talk in terms of fashion if you will see that there are 2-3 tribes of people ठीक है who lives in the who lives in Africa and Indonesia. ठीक है, जहाँ पे जो हम लोग का जो इक्कत टेक्सटाइल है, ठीक है, वो लोग क्या करते थे, क्योंकि वो लोग ट्रैवल करते थे, ठीक है, so they used to carry those textiles and they used to hang it just like अपने वो घर पे जैसे वो ये लगाते हैं ना, अपहोल्स्ट्री के लिए यूज करते हैं कि वो वॉल हैंगिंग्स हो गया, वॉल आर्ट्स हो गया, they used to hang it so that people could identify from a very far distance क्योंकि there is a human settlement जो जहाँ पे कि वो लोग रह रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो उसको वो बड़ा बड़ा कैनोपी बना के वो उसमें रहते थे ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि कि यहाँ पे एक कम्युनिटी सेटल है, यहाँ पे कम्युनिटी there's a community who is residing here. Okay, so that is the thing. Now coming to the 5th century, you will see a bird is carrying letters. आपको पता है ना, pigeon, were the messengers. Okay, जहाँ पे वो letters carry करके लेके जाते थे. With the introduction of alphabets and language, so letters, played a significant role in communicating messages, right? So pigeon post, okay. तो उसके बाद फिर प्रिंटिंग प्रेस वगैरह आया, ठीक है, जहाँ पे कि प्रिंटिंग होके लीनियर मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन चालू, मतलब हो तो रहा था, बट फिर प्रिंटिंग प्रेस और वो सब एस्टैब्लिश होने लगे. ना कमिंग टू द वायर्ड एरा, जहाँ पे टेलीग्राम वगैरह आप लोग लिखने लगे, अब हमारे दादा परदादा दे यूज्ड टू राइट टेलीग्राम. ओके, उसके बाद फिर आया टेलीफोन में यू कुड कम्युनिकेट विद पीपल. ओके, जो लैंडलाइंस होते थे, ठीक है, तो तब वो लोग टेलीफोन में बात करते थे, सो दे कुड अंडरस्टैंड द कनेक्टिविटी कि कैसे कम्युनिकेट किया जाए. सो दिस इज हाउ द हिस्ट्री ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन हैज बीन थ्रू. पहले लोग पैदल चल के जाते थे. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट रामायण एंड ऑल, तो तब क्या था मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, तो इतना दूर वो लोग ट्रैवल करते थे. देयर वाज नो फोन, देयर वाज नथिंग. वो फुटप्रिंट्स देखते थे, सीजन्स देखते थे, ठीक है, लोगों से पूछते थे कि यहाँ पे ऐसे कोई क्रॉस किया है क्या, ये वो ऐसे कर करके वो लोग जाते थे. तो दैट्स हाउ दे कम्युनिकेटेड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, राइट? देयर वाज नो सच एक्सेस टू इंटरनेट, जीपीएस और एनीथिंग, राइट? सो दैट्स हाउ दे कम्युनिकेटेड देन. उसके बाद फिर टेलीफोन के बाद फिर वीडियो फोन आने लगा, ठीक है, जहाँ पे यू कैन आप वीडियो कॉल में बात कर सकते हो, ठीक है. इन विद द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ वायरलेस एरा का इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ बेसिकली उसके बाद, ठीक है, जहाँ पे कि लोग टेलीफोन मोबाइल होने लगा, ठीक है, इट वाज मोर पोर्टेबल, ठीक है, इट वाज मोर पोर्टेबल. उसके बाद लोग फिर सेलुलर नेटवर्क पे बात करने लगे, कनेक्टिविटी टावर्स वगैरह बनने लगे. उसके बाद मैसेजेस जो है वो टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस भेजने लगे. उसके बाद फिर धीरे 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 फिर और टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप होता गया. फिर यू कुड सी कि क्लाउड में इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर हो रहा है, ठीक है, वीडियो कॉल्स में लोग बात कर रहे हैं. स्काइप 2003 में लॉन्च हुआ, ठीक है. तो that's how the process has grown. That's how the process has grown, and that's how the style of communication has changed over a period of time as per the current need, as per the market demand. So the systems were designed accordingly. Okay, so when there is a need in the market, okay, so it leads to an invention. So likewise, धीरे 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 सिस्टम स्ट्रेटेजाइज होते गए, स्ट्रीमलाइन होते गए, ठीक है, तो चीजें भी और सॉर्टेड होने लगी. So that's how people have started working on it. राइट. सो स्काइप फिर 2010, उसके बाद फिर आज के डेट में यू सी एन नंबर ऑफ फोन्स. कुछ दिनों में विद द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ एआई यू विल सी दैट कि फोन की भी जरूरत नहीं, देयर विल बी अ चिप इन योर मे बी इन योर हेड और समथिंग that where you can visually just imagine and you are talking to that person. So it could be that the next gen, right? Is
Yes.
it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So how
Yes, ma'am.
communication has evolved over a period of time. So So that is the thing. Okay. आजकल important intelligent phones आ रहे हैं. Intelligent phones आ रहे हैं कि अब बस उनको बोल दो, they accordingly they will set your phones accordingly. Meeting है, call है, क्या उठाना है, you have to drive. So you just with in an instruction they will do your job. Okay. So those are intelligent phones. So that is the thing. Okay. Now coming to communication and entrepreneurship. Now, communication in entrepreneurship is how entrepreneurship is playing a significant role. Okay, in sorry, how communication is playing a significant role in entrepreneurship. Okay, communication in entrepreneurship refers to the exchange of information. Okay, exchange of information, ideas, and messages between individuals or groups involved in entrepreneurial activities. Effective communication is crucial for entrepreneurs to convey their vision, persuade investors, collaborate with team members, and engage with customers. Okay, so what is entrepreneurship? Okay, first you have to understand that. Okay, so entrepreneurship is the process of creating, launching, and managing a self-invested business venture. Okay, जहाँ पे आप खुद से सब, you are your own boss. You are working for yourself. Okay, you are establishing a company on your name. Okay, so entrepreneurship is the art of or the process of setting up a company, or you can say setting up your own design, your own business. Okay, and who is an entrepreneur? The one who runs it, the one who takes every pain to make it happen. Okay, वो एक विजन देखता है, वो एक मिशन देखता है अपने लाइफ में कि मुझे ये करना है, तो ये करने के लिए मुझे जो जो चाहिए वो करता है, एंड देन इन्वेस्टमेंट्स और सब कुछ वो प्लान आउट करता है. सब कुछ करने के बाद ही सेट्स देयर ओन स्टोर. सो दैट्स हाउ entrepreneurship is an art of putting everything together and making it run, making the business run. Okay, so entrepreneurship is the other hand is the process of creating, launching, and managing a new business venture. It involves identifying opportunities, taking risks, organizing resources, and innovating to create value in the marketplace. Effective communication skills are essential for entrepreneurs to pitch their ideas, negotiate deals, build partnerships, and market their products or services successfully. Okay, so communication and entrepreneurship goes parallelly. Okay, so how does it go parallelly? So the thing is, किसी भी चीज को करने के लिए, किसी भी चीज को करवाने के लिए, you have to talk. Okay, without talking or without expressing your feelings or without understanding what is to be done, you cannot really communicate, you cannot really succeed in any business. Okay, so that is the thing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? Are you having any doubts, guys?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You're having doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so it is clear to everyone up till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so now when it comes to entrepreneurship, I would like to inform you that entrepreneurship is and it is actually all about taking a lot of risk. Okay, taking a lot of risk, being innovative and creative, creating something which is valuable, which is really, really worth it. Okay, so it's about identifying opportunities कि हम कहाँ से एक अच्छा opportunity मिले and हम उसको एक successful venture में turn out करें. So the idea is, how to look at things, okay, and identify opportunities. Okay, इससे बहुत बढ़िया एक business set हो सकता है. Okay, and you need to have that risk taking capability within yourself. ठीक है, ताकि आप वो रिस्क को ओवरकम कर पाओ. Okay, entrepreneurs are very, very creative in nature. They are very, very innovative in nature. Setting something which is there is something. ठीक है, चलो हाँ, आप एक कंपनी है, आप वो सेम ही कंपनी खोल रहे हो exactly the same, so you are not invested. Okay, but when you are actually working for a company, okay, when you're actually working for a company and when you're actually making it happen, so you understand the pain that it comes through. You understand कि कितना मेहनत लगता है करने के लिए, कितना मेहनत लगता है उस सारी चीजों को to make it happen. So you just don't let it go the way you could have let it go when you are not invested, right? तो हर चीज को जब आप पूरी शिद्दत के साथ करते हो, तो it turns out to be really, really successful. Okay, because you don't let it go just the way it is. Okay, you identify opportunities, you mitigate the risk, you organize the resources. Okay, you innovate, you create something जहाँ से वो वहीं से वो turning point वो शुरू हो जाए कि your business starts growing. So that is being having an entrepreneurial identity. Okay, now communication बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है entrepreneurship में, इसलिए क्योंकि आपको कल negotiate करना पड़ेगा, आपको कल partnerships build करना पड़ेगा, आपको कल market place में अपना product को placement के बारे में बात करना पड़ेगा, आपको अपने brand के बारे में बात करना पड़ेगा, आपको loans लेना पड़ेगा. So you have to communicate, right? Without communication, nothing will happen. If you don't talk, how will your brand grow? It is very, very imperative and crucial that you have to communicate, you have to talk, you have to build that rapport, you have to build that identity, okay, to make it happen, right? So moving to the next slide. Okay, now role of communication in the fashion industry. Okay, how fashion industry is working and how communication plays a very, very significant role in the fashion industry, that will be starting now. Okay, so first is your brand identity. Okay, what is brand identity? एक brand की अपनी पहचान, ठीक है, और ये कब होती है? जब लोग उसके बारे में जानते हैं. और लोग कैसे जानेंगे? जब उनको ये properly बताया जाएगा. Correct? So effective communication helps brand convey the identity. Okay, so it helps them to convey the identity, it helps them to build values, unique USPs to customers. Okay, एक इंसान for example, if I talk about for example Sabyasachi Mukherjee, he's a very renowned fashion designer. Okay, तो वो अपने ब्रांड को वो आके आपको नहीं बोलता कि मेरा ब्रांड ऐसा है, ऐसा है, वैसा है. वो जो कम्युनिकेट करता है थ्रू द इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट और थ्रू कहीं पे रनवे फैशन वीक में या फिर उसकी कारीगरी में, ठीक है, उसी से ही उसका ब्रांड आज बना है. उसके थॉट प्रोसेस को जो वो कन्वे करता है, ठीक है, अपने स्टाइल में, तो दैट इज हिज ओन आइडेंटिटी. ठीक है, तो एक ब्रांड अपना एस्थेटिक को कन्वे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स के दौरान करता है. ठीक है, अपने स्लोगन्स के द्वारा करता है, अपना अपना मार्केटिंग चैनल्स के थ्रू करता है. ठीक है, और मार्केटिंग is all about communication. Marketing in any form is all about communication. How are you communicating with your audience? How are you communicating with your target group? Are they, are they understanding what you're trying to convey them? So it brings a lot of things into place. जैसे सब्यसाची मुखर्जी अगर मैं आपको आज बोलूँ तो आपके सबके दिमाग में ये होगा क्योंकि सब्यसाची मुखर्जी is a very renowned fashion designer, okay, who has worked length and breadth and um, and उस अब उसकी चीजें याद आती हैं, मतलब सविता जी की अगर अगर उसकी प्रोडक्ट्स की उसकी चीजों की याद आती है तो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट स्ट्राइक्स माय माइंड इज द कलेक्शन, द ब्राइडल कलेक्शंस that he makes. Okay, so the bridal collection that he makes is something which is really out of the world, right? And that's how he has built their identity, their values, the USCs. Okay, so that's how the brand has communicated to a larger audience. आज के डेट में आप देखते हो सब जो जो सेलिब्रिटीज हैं ये हैं वो लोग वो लोग सब्यसाची मुखर्जी से अपना कलेक्शंस वगैरह, दीपिका पादुकोण का जो कलेक्शन, शादी का जो कलेक्शन है, अनुष्का शर्मा, इन सब का, so they have built that rapport. Okay, the brand has built that identity for themselves. This includes branding elements such as logos, slogans, brand messaging, which are communicated through various channels like advertising, social media, and public relations. So that's how they had built the identity. Coming to marketing and promotion, fashion brands rely heavily on communication to promote their products and collections, right? So obviously, जो फैशन ब्रांड्स हैं वो प्रॉपरली अगर कोई चीज़ को प्रॉपरली कम्युनिकेट नहीं करते हैं, जैसे कि यू वुड नो दैट कि फैशन ब्रांड्स जो है अपना सीजनल मैगजीन्स वगैरह, वोग, एफएनएल, और उसके बाद एल, उसके बाद बहुत सारे फैशन मैगजीन्स हैं जो कि ग्राजिया, वो लोग अपना प्रमोशन कैंपेनिंग वगैरह करते हैं। क्यों करते हैं? ताकि लोग वो लाइमलाइट में लोग जाने और उसको, है ना, एंड पोस्टर्स भी रखते हैं एडिडास का ये, तो दे हैव देयर ओन प्रमोशनल एक्टिविटी। एंड उसके बाद क्या होता है कि विजुअली अपीलिंग जो कंटेंट है वो बना के डालते हैं इंस्टा मीडिया में, एड्स वगैरह, पुश एड्स वगैरह आते हैं, वो इसलिए करते हैं ताकि वो आप लोगों के ध्यान में रहे, क्योंकि दिस इज अ ब्रांड व्हिच इज रियली गुड। Okay, it involves creating and engaging marketing campaigns, producing visually appealing content, and leveraging influencers and celebrities to reach target audiences. जब सब so you would see that कि आजकल ये जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स भी जो है, ठीक है, सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, so what they do is they get clothes from the brands and वो प्रमोट करते हैं because they also have some followers and the brand also has followers. तो जब कोलैबोरेट करके वो लोग कपड़ा वो एक्सचेंज करके वो लोग वीडियो डालते हैं, so the followers who are there in the content creator page, the influencers page will also like the brand's page. So it is an eventual request, मतलब कि वो होता है, ठीक है, पार्टनरशिप में, so they collaborate, they work together, they make good content, so that's how they reach the target audience. Okay, coming to customer engagement, communication allows fashion brands to interact with their customers, gather feedback, and build relationships. Social media platforms in particular provide avenues for direct communication with consumers, enabling brands to respond to inquiries, address concerns, and foster brand loyalty. कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है? कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट का मतलब यही है कि आपको कंज्यूमर को होल्ड करके रखना है, ठीक है ना? तो आप वो कब तक होल्ड कैसे करते हो उसको? That is very important, that how you hold your customers. Okay, so the thing is, when you hello, yeah, am I audible, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So when you are working in, we are working with the direct customers or consumers, ठीक है, हम उनसे अच्छा रिलेशनशिप बना के रखना पसंद करते हैं. Why do we do that? क्योंकि एक ब्रांड लॉयल्टी क्रिएट होती है उससे. ठीक है, कि आप जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल लकोस्टे का आप जाते हो स्टोर में, ठीक है, आपका आपका आपको उनका सर्विस बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपको उनका प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगा, ठीक है, तो यू go there again and again. So what it helps that you become a loyal customer to that brand. आप कहीं और नहीं जाते because you have liked their service, so much, and the product quality as well. So that is the thing. That's how they have made sure that कोई भी कस्टमर अगर हमारे पास आ रहा है तो we shouldn't you know leave the customer as they are. We should interact with them. We should provide avenues for direct communication. Okay, so ज़्यादा वो कंसर्न्स भी, जैसे कि मान लो कि ब्रांड का कोई इश्यू है, जैसे कि आपने कोई कुछ खरीदा और वो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं निकला, आप प्रोडक्ट को जाके रिटर्न करते हो एंड व्हेन दे एड्रेस इट, तो यू फील हैप्पी कि 3 महीने बाद भी ये जो ब्रांड है, तो ये प्रोडक्ट मेरा वापस ले लिया क्योंकि मैंने पैसे दिए थे, एंड देन दे दोज पीपल रिस्पॉन्डेड and you feel good about it. And then when you have built an impression, ठीक है, कि okay, ठीक है, अच्छा ब्रांड है, ये रिटर्न भी लिया था बिकॉज खराब था, तो दे आर नॉट लाइक फसी कि नहीं 2 महीने बाद चेंज नहीं करेंगे, 1 महीने बाद चेंज नहीं करेंगे. They took it and then they replaced it with a new one. So it helps you to you eventually build that good relation with that brand subconsciously. So that's how they engage the consumer, right? Coming to trend forecasting and supply chain. So trend forecasting में communication channels such as fashion publications, trend forecasting agencies, and industry events facilitate the dissemination of trends and insight within the fashion industry. This enables designers, retailers, and other stakeholders to stay informed and anticipate consumer preferences. Okay, so आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि अच्छा ये ब्रांड बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है? कैसे पता चलता है? जब ये पब्लिश होता है, जब ये ट्रेंड फोरकास्टिंग एजेंसीज उस चीज को पब्लिश करते हैं, राइट? तो you need to know that whatever is trending, okay, is there, and you are aware of those dissemination thing, कि अगर कुछ बहुत अच्छा कुछ ट्रेंडिंग है तो फिर डेफिनेटली वो इनसाइट फैशन इंडस्ट्री में शो करेगा, ठीक है, और उसको लेके फिर लोग फिर उस ट्रेंड को फॉलो करेंगे, एंड देन दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स एंड वर्क्स एंड वर्क्स, राइट? So trend forecasting also plays a very crucial role in communication. कि जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि कोई फोरकास्ट करके कोई कलर को प्रेडिक्ट करके बोला क्योंकि नेक्स्ट ईयर ये कलर बहुत पॉपुलर होना है. ओके, सो इन दैट केस you need to know कि okay, this is the color for the next year, okay, and then accordingly you bring that color into force, you use that color, and that's how it becomes a trend. Now you will spot that color everywhere, right? So that's how you build a trend, or maybe you can spot a trend. Now coming to supply chain, okay, supply chain में क्या है कि कपड़े बनने से लेके मतलब फैब्रिक सोर्सिंग से पहले एंड तक till it gets delivered to your home, clear communication is very very important because everything is interdependent on each other in supply chain. आप कहाँ से सोर्स कर रहे हो, कितने टाइम से सोर्स कर रहे हो, और वो बनने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, जाने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, एम्ब्रॉयडरी होने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, फिर आपके घर पहुंचने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, एवरीथिंग इज प्री प्लान. एंड ये मेजरली इट्स ऑल अबाउट कोऑर्डिनेशन. It's majorly about coordination. How do you set your moods? How do you set your moods? How do you make it effective? तो आपका कम्युनिकेशन फिर ही वो डिपेंड करता है कि वो कैसे होगा,
कि आप किस तरीके से कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो, क्या कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो, ताकि आपका एकदम सप्लाई चेन बहुत ही रोबस्ट तरीके से मूव हो रहा है। ठीक है, सो दैट इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट। जैसे कि यू नीड टू एवरी स्टेक होल्डर, जितने भी लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं, सोर्सिंग से लेके फैब्रिक सोर्सिंग से लेके फैब्रिक बनने कटने तक, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर एम्ब्रॉयडरी या फिर प्रिंटिंग या जो भी, उसके बाद फिर उसको स्टिच होने के बाद फिर वो पैक होएगा, पैक होने के बाद फिर क्वालिटी चेक होएगा, फिर उसके बाद फिर वो शिप में जाएगा या एयर में जाएगा, उसके बाद फिर वहां से वेयर हाउस से फिर वो जाके डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टोर्स में जाके डिस्प्ले होगा। So it is a very long process and it is a very big task. एक कहीं जगह पे इधर उधर गलत कम्युनिकेशन अगर हुआ तो सोचो कितना पैसा भी खर्च हो। ठीक है, टाइमिंग इधर उधर हो गया, पैसा खर्च हो। सो वन सिंगल मिस्टेक कैन is not affordable. It's very pricey, very very pricey. So uh, which is why it is very very important to understand that this communication, you know, is very very important. Okay, very very important. Any doubts you have, guys?
No, ma'am.
Hello.
हेलो मैम। हेलो।
Yeah, tell me, Kusun.
या मैम, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि अगर कस्टमर को नहीं कोई पसंद आता है या डिफेक्ट रहता है उसमें कुछ, तो वो 3 महीने बाद रिटर्न कर सकते हैं। तो मैम ये टाइम पीरियड कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो जाएगा? इफ देयर इज एनी डिफेक्ट इन आवर प्रोडक्ट और दे डू नॉट लाइक समथिंग, देन वी विल
We
कीप ए
will
टाइम, keep a time in
no
which
no
they can
you
make
you
changes.
I was giving you an example. I was giving you an example. It's
Yeah,
not
yeah, ma'am.
every company has their own policies, return policies and
जी, जी, जी.
practices. राइट, तो सबका अपना अलग अलग है। कोई 1 महीने बाद, कोई 1 साल के बाद भी ले सकता है, कोई 6 महीने बाद, क्योंकि आप प्रोडक्ट में डिपेंड, मान लो कि आपने वो कपड़ा यूज किया, 2-3 वॉशेस के बाद वो सारा कलर ब्लीड कर गया और वो 3-4 हजार का शर्ट है, तो आप जाके तो बोलोगे ना कि आपका जो
Yeah.
क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट एप्ट, और द अमाउंट दैट आई पेड didn't even last for a month. Obviously you will raise a complaint.
जी, जी.
इट इज ऑल अबाउट कस्टमर रिटेंशन। अगर वो जाके एक्सचेंज कर दे तो आपको भी तो अच्छा फील होगा ना कि ओके चलो 3-4 हजार का शर्ट है, उन्होंने रिटर्न दिया और दूसरा कोई अच्छा प्रोडक्ट आप फिर देख के उस प्राइस रेंज में आप लेके आए।
Yeah, ma'am.
अगर सोच तो अगर रिटर्न नहीं करता, वो आपसे बहस करता है कि नहीं वो नहीं रिटर्न हो सकता है, तो आप नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी वो शॉप में जाने के बारे में सोच
Oh,
भी नहीं सकते,
जी, जी.
है ना? तो
Yeah.
दैट इज द थिंग।
जी. Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है,
जी.
या anyone else who has any doubts?
नो मैम, आपने बहुत अच्छा बताया मैम। इसमें हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि हमें अगर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वर्क करना है तो उसको रजिस्ट्रेशन से लेके, ब्रांड से लेके, प्रोडक्ट से लेके, मशीनरी से लेके, स्लोगन, मार्केटिंग, डिमांड एंड सप्लाई, एडवर्टाइजमेंट, सोशल मीडिया,
Yes,
प्रमोट
yes,
एंड प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट कैसे करना है,
जी,
मार्केटिंग वगैरह कैसे करनी है, गुड कंटेंट अपने रखने होंगे और कस्टमर को अच्छे से बिहेव करना है कि वो
yes,
अट्रैक्ट हो और हमारा प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा यूज़ करें और ये ज़्यादा मतलब इसका जो सप्लाई ज़्यादा हो। या मैम।
true, true.
जी.
Anyone else? Anyone has any more doubt?
No, ma'am.
Clear? Everyone is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I would conclude it saying that overall, communication serves as a linchpin, okay, in the fashion industry. enabling brands to connect with consumers, drive sales, and stay ahead of the curve in a dynamic and competitive market. Now you know that कि यहाँ पे इतने सारे brands हैं, सब अपने अपने तरीके से इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं, ठीक है, but there are some brands which comes into our eyes जो कि बहुत noticeable है because they have worked beautifully on their strategies, on their marketing plans, and this can only happen through proper communication. How are you communicating? आप घर पे भी देख लो, आप किसी से बदतमीजी से बात करो तो फिर वो आपको बदतमीजी से ही रिप्लाई करेगा, आप अच्छे से बात करो तो लोग आपको समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग that we can do is to communicate effectively, communicate in a way that people appreciate it, right? Okay, so I hope I'm clear to everyone, so we can wrap with the class then.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
ma'am.
guys. Thank you so much.